All right, so let's talk about some email basics, just some general etiquette and other tips. Etiquette is referring to kind of the proper way to do things. Some people would consider manners and etiquette the same thing, so email manners. So, here's just some tips. And I just did a quick Google search on this. So, always include your name. Now, this is from another teacher that put this together. Um, One of the biggest things, don't use text to speech. Okay? Actually write out the words that you're wanting to say. It's not the super short stuff, LOL, smiley face, smiley face. It gets a little ridiculous when you're in an email. Your email is like a professional communication. You guys are professional students. You need to sound like a professional student in this email. Capitalization, punctuation, spelling. Please pay attention to those things. Include a greeting. Dear Mr. So-and-so. Dear Miss So-and-so. Not what up, teach, how you doing. No. Okay? If you're writing to a teacher about a project or assignment, make sure you tell them what project it is. Or don't just say retake. Well, retake what? What test do you need to retake? When would you want to come in and do it? We need some specifics. Okay. Let's see. Okay, some other things that I have noticed over the time when it comes to email is you guys don't know how to actually do these things, or some people don't. So we're going to have a quick lesson. So here you see my Gmail, and to send an email to someone or to create one, you're going to hit compose. Okay, now, if you are, let me get rid of this. If you are in Liberty Public Schools and you want to send this to someone, you can just start typing their name. So if you wanted to send me an email, okay, you can start typing my name, Wendy Danner, and you'll see me pop up here. Okay, if it's a teacher, they are going to have two emails. They have whatever at student.liberty, and that's how we get all of our Google stuff, or it's just at liberty.k12.mo.us. Either one will go to your teacher. Okay, you always, okay, so I'm going to send this to myself here. Okay, so always, 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 do you need a subject line? Subject line. If you have a question about a specific homework assignment, you would tell me that. If your question is about your grade, question about my grade. This is a very, very, very brief summary of what the overall message is about. This is not where you type 3 sentences. Okay? Don't just leave it blank either. I need just it's like a topic or a tag. Okay? Then in here, Dear Mrs. Danner, comma. Okay? Tell me what your problem is. Okay? No cap locks. That's like you're shouting at me. Things like that. Down here, you should have a signature. A signature is just an automatic thing that it puts in there with your first and last name and what it is that, what grade you're in and what school you go to. It should not still say South Valley Middle School or Shoal Creek Elementary. You should change that by now. Okay? So there's